Energy is all around us, from cars to the sun and even in your own body. Everything either uses or produces energy. So, where does all this energy come from and how is it made? Well, most living things rely on sunlight, food and water for power, whereas other objects such as lights and TVs use electricity. Electricity can be made by burning coal, but that has a negative impact on the earth. This is where hydroelectricity comes into play.
Hydroelectricity is a form of energy that has little effect on the environment. A hydroelectric dam consists of two reservoirs, one low and one high. During the daytime, solar panels and windmills on the surface work hard to power a pump, which is located in one of the pipes connecting the two basins. The pump pushes water from the low dam to the high one, where at night, the water in the top lake can flow down the other pipe until it meets a turbine. As the water flows through the turbine, it forces the blades to spin, where a generator can convert the motion into electricity. The current is then passed to a power line, where it can be further used to power our modern-day technology. This is our working model of a water wheel that generates electricity. The wheel itself is connected to a DC motor, where a multimeter can then measure the current. A solar-powered pump was responsible for pumping the water back into the jug, which represented a hydroelectric dam. One of the problems we faced was that our water wheel could not produce enough power to turn our incandescent bulb on, so we were forced to hook the wheel up to a multimeter. To summarize, our model shows how renewable electricity can be made without using any fossil fuels. In conclusion, hydroelectricity is green, clean, and completely renewable, taking us one step further down a brighter, better future.